Welcome to part 6 of this tutorial. Today we'll be working with layer styles. So let's create a rectangle to apply all of those effects onto. I'll change the color to red so it's more visible. Let's drag that around a little bit. Now let's right click and go to blending options. Now I have the layer styles window pops up. Let's hit this first one, level and emboss, and work around it. You can see that the settings are not yet visible until you click on the effect itself. Now I can adjust the settings. Change to whichever style you want. You keep adjusting until you're satisfied. Adjust the softness. So check that and go to texture. Adjust the texture as well. Technique or the style. Can adjust the softness, also the size. So play around the stuff carefully and do not overuse them when it's not necessary. I did that when I first discovered this layer style. Now go to stroke. You can change the blend mode of the stroke as well, or the opacity, the color, and choose if it's color or gradient or even pattern for the stroke. So choose from any of these patterns available to you. Get creative. So you can see how to adjust the colors. Now let's select that and go to inner shadow. For now it's not yet visible. So when you adjust, see the effect. Change the direction as well. You can see on the side that use global light is selected. That means the direction of the light will apply to all the images if it's ticked. Okay, so let's go to inner glow. You can't see it yet, but let's fix that in a minute. Adjusting the size makes it visible. You can also decide to use gradients instead of color. Let's take it back to color. Increase the choke, size. All of these effects you just have to adjust them until you're okay with what you have. I don't use satin, I never do. What it's meant for. So color overlay. You can use this to basically change the entire color of a layer. So we have gradients overlay. Now you can see that we can't view the gradients unless we untick the color overlay. Because it's placed on top of the gradient and overlay. Now let's go to pattern overlay. They all do the same thing, just in different ways. Pattern overlay, gradient overlay, and then color overlay. So you can adjust the size of the pattern. Basically just adjusting the way it fits and then snap back to origin whenever you want to. And then outer glow. You can't see it yet. Fix that soon. Try and change the background. It's not using because of the blend mode, so change the blend mode visible top of a white background. So you can see the effect. You can just size and spread just like you did with the shadow, some of the other effects we worked on earlier. Okay, now drop shadow. I think this is the most useful one. It's the one that everyone uses more often. It's quite efficient. You can adjust the angle again. Use global light is ticked. So wherever the direction of the light is on this particular layer or object, it will be the same for all the layers and objects you work on eventually. So you can hit OK to save that. Now let me show you some other tricks about layer style, how to transfer them from one layer to another. Alright, here we go. Let's change the color of this shape. Okay, let's make it yellow. Drag that around. Now you can just go directly, hold on the effects, and click everything, transferring them from one layer to another. Or you can hold down Alt and drag. So both of them keep the effects, all the effects are kept to both layers. Okay, undo. Now let's pick just one of the effects. Bevel and emboss. You can see it has been transferred, but the drop shadow effect is not transferred. So now let's drag just the drop shadow effect, and yeah, only that is transferred. So that's the cool tip, cool trick. See you in the next part of the tutorial. Bye bye.